Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about when to prune cedar hedges. Now, cedar hedges make a great barrier or a wall in between your home and your neighbor's home. And you can prune them pretty much any time of the year, but there's certain rules that you can follow that they will appreciate and that will look good for the future. Now, the first rule of thumb is in early spring, you want to prune to thin out so that they fill in with the new growth. So you don't want to trim them too much. You just want to trim the top and the insides, every third branch out, so that they'll grow in lush with new growth and fill in. So the early spring is for filling in. Where in the late spring, when they've grown quite a bit, they'll get tall and kind of lanky and uneven. So late spring or into the early summer, you want to actually trim them for height. So you want to even them out and make them flat. Because once summer hits, they pretty much go dormant. They don't do a lot of growing in the summer. So the best time to trim them so that you have that flat top is in the late spring to early summer. So in the fall or the winter is the best time just to cut out all the dead branches or to even it out a while. So the fall and the winter is the best time just to cut out any dead branches or damaged branches from any storms. And you want to even it out because a lot of times they'll get kind of Medusa type branches coming out from the hedge. And really the best time to cut those out is in the fall or winter. And then again in the spring, you thin out so that they can get new growth. And by just following those simple steps, you'll have a gorgeous cedar hedge for many years to come.